Good morning, girls. Welcome to the subject of BC. I welcome you for the 11th session of BC. We are doing unit number 3, in which we are discussing about the preparation for the interview, right? Under which we have discussed few points. Regarding the techniques that we have to keep in mind while appearing for self in the interview, we discussed about the dress for the interview. We saw about the knowledge that we have to brush up for the interview. We checked like minimum stress will reduce the burden, tension. First impression will be the last impression. One has to prove herself or himself for the interview. What to do when you are an introvert. Take time to say thank you after the interview. One needs to have a practice. One has to use networking contacts. Check about the company details. Be prepared for the telephonic interview. Handle sometimes very patiently a group interview. While dining interview, avoid these interview mistakes. So we have to keep in mind like these mistakes normally we should avoid. What shouldn't you do when interviewing? તમારે શું ન કરવું જોઈએ? Check out the most common job interview mistakes, blunders and errors a candidate for employment can make. Some of them are minor, others can make or break your chances of getting hired. ઘણીવાર એવું બને છે કે નાની અમસ્તી ભૂલથી પણ તમે હાયર થઈ શકતા નથી. રાઈટ? That mistake may break your chance of getting hired, and then take the time to prepare before your interview. So one should not have stress about how it went after it is over. એકવાર પૂરું થઈ જાય છે પછી એનો વિચાર કરવાનો આવતો નથી, પણ નોર્મલી તમે મિસ્ટેક્સ કે બ્લન્ડર્સ એટલે ભૂલો ન કરો. For that you need to keep and think about that mistakes that you shouldn't attempt. Do's and don'ts for the interview can be asked as a short note. It is no surprise that a strong interview is a determining factor in securing a new position. The more prepared you are, the more confident you will be, resulting in a better outcome. જેટલા તમે વધારે કોન્ફિડન્ટ હશો, જેટલા તમે વધારે પ્રિપેર્ડ હશો, એટલું તમે સારું રિઝલ્ટ આપી શકશો. To ensure you put your best foot forward, we have outlined some common interview techniques. Here are the top 5 things you should always do before or during an interview. Number 1, do your homework. Preparation is the first essential step in the interview process. શું કરવું જોઈએ? ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ આપવા જતી વખતે કઈ કઈ બાબતો કરવી જોઈએ? તો કે સૌથી પહેલાં તમારે હોમવર્ક એટલે કે whatever preparation is required that you are supposed to do. So don't let yourself down before it is even taken place. Researching the company you are meeting with which or that will show your interest in the business and give you an upper hand. એટલે કે તમે literally you have come with a research, with a survey, you know about the company, you know about the policy of the company, and that will make your hand more stronger. Look at their website and what is happening in the news to widen your research and see what the media is saying about the company. તમે ઇન્ટરનેટ ઉપરથી સર્ચ કરી શકો, તમે કંપની વિશેની તપાસ કરી શકો from the available material or available things through internet. Don't limit your research to this alone. Make sure your research, the background, will help you as an interviewee, background of the interviewers, including their career history and specific achievements, એ પણ તમને મદદરૂપ થઈ શકે ક્યારેક. Make a good first impression, like if you are going to a face-to-face interview, plan your trip there, do a trial run if it is at an unfamiliar location, and arrive a few minutes earlier for the interview. Then you need to present yourself with a good impression. Late arrival for a job, you need to plan accordingly so that you cannot become late, because late arrival for a job interview is an excuse which is not acceptable at all. It is inexcusable. એ બહાનું બહુ જ odd લાગે છે. Bring your CV and ensure you know the dates and its specifics, so you can confidently talk through your CV and give examples. Obviously, you need to go with your credentials properly. You need to prepare your resume, you have to prepare your CV, and that will make your personality more stronger. For a video interview, આ physical interview માટે છે, this is for the video interview. Minimum technical issues. By testing your video tool the day before your interview, on the day of your interview, ensure you are set up and ready to go at least 15 minutes before your scheduled time. વિડીયો ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ માટે તમે 15 મિનિટ પહેલાં જ મિટિંગમાં એન્ટર થઈ જાઓ છો, જેથી કરીને તમારું સેટઅપ રેડી કરી શકો છો, right? And you should be there in a quiet and a comfortable place. You should sit so nobody can disturb you. You won't have the luxury of being able to offer a firm handshake or make eye contact with your interviewer. You won't have the luxury of being able to offer, yes, because it's a virtual interview. No need to shake hands. Plus, eye contact will help you to understand your interviewer, their gestures. So the best alternative is for you to smile confidently and appear interested and engaged. કારણ કે ધારો એટલું તમે વર્ચ્યુઅલી એકબીજાને નિહાળી શકો, સામે સામે ફિઝિકલ ફોર્મમાં બેસી અને તમે એકબીજાને ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરી શકો, એટલું ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન તમે ઓનલાઈન વર્ચ્યુઅલ ફોર્મમાં કરી શકતા નથી. સો યુ ટુ શો યોર કોન્ફિડન્સ બાય યોર જેસ્ચર્સ as well as you look presentable. Looking the part is also important, and you can rarely go wrong wearing a well-fitting suit. The amount of care you take in your presentation is a sign of your interest in the role and your seriousness in making a good impression. Third is listen and respond accordingly. Too often the feedback from clients is that the candidate does not answer the question in a clear and direct manner. What you can do is you need to listen to the interviewer, and then after you can respond accordingly. Don't run circles around the questions. Listen and answer accordingly while using examples from your experience to back it up. Yes, don't run circles around the questions. Obviously, you cannot do such thing. તમે પ્રશ્નો પર પ્રશ્નો કે એના જવાબો ઢાંકવા માટે તમે પ્રશ્નો નથી કરી શકતા. You need to listen carefully and then you can respond accordingly. Prepare smart, open-ended questions to ask the interviewer. Remember that an interview is a two-way street. It's not a one-way process. Asking questions will help illustrate your interest and motivate to succeed in the role and the company, as well as getting you noticed and separate you from other candidates. It will also determine if this really is the opportunity or business you want to join. Of course, you have to show your smartness in giving answers And it's a two-way process in which your communication is also required. You cannot directly say yes or no, isn't it? Communicating your experience and successes clearly will highlight any of your strengths that are relevant to the role. એટલે કે તમે તમારી જાતને, તમારા અનુભવોને, તમારી સફળતાઓને હાઇલાઇટ કરી શકો છો, તમારી સ્ટ્રેન્થ્સ કહી શકો છો કે જે એ પ્રોફાઇલ માટે સુટેબલ છે. Sell your strengths and expertise. Make sure that you communicate your strengths to the interviewer in a concise, એટલે ટૂંકમાં, factual and sincere manner. This was about do's related to the interview. જે તમારે કરવું જોઈએ. There are few things that I discussed while appearing for self in the interview, like do your homework, make a good first impression, listen and respond accordingly, prepare smart open-ended questions to ask the interviewer, sell your strengths and expertise. Here are the top 5 things you should never do. Don'ts for the interview. I should write don'ts for the interview. Number 1, do not speak poorly about your present or former employers. You have to just prove yourself. You do not need to worry about the others. The interview will assume you will do this to them if you leave the question your professionalism. It's a big red flag to anyone interviewing a candidate. You should not speak poor about anybody else or about the former employers. કે એટલે તમે છોડીને આ જોબ કરવા માંગો છો એવું તમારે નેગેટિવ સ્ટેટમેન્ટ ક્યારેય આપી શકાતું નથી. ડોન્ટ ફોલ્સિફાઈ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન. ખોટું બોલવાનો પ્રયત્ન ન કરો. આન્સર ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ટ્રુથફુલી એન્ડ એઝ ક્લોઝ ટુ ધ પોઈન્ટ એઝ પોસિબલ. Explain and describe things about yourself that relate to the position on offer and truly reflect your past experience. Yes, you need to explain and describe things, yes, of course, about yourself and that relate to the position on offer and that truly reflect your past experience. એટલે કે તમે તમારી જાતની સાચી સારી past experiences કે જેથી તમે સત્ય છે એ રિફ્લેક્ટ એટલે દર્શાવી શકો છો. You cannot say, you cannot provide falsified information if you are being probed in an area that is not strength. Be honest and let your interviewer know. તમારા ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ લેનાર વ્યક્તિને જણાવો that you are willing to learn to or work on and how you can up skill in this area. Follow that with strengths you have in another area and that you could bring to the table. Show your strengths, do not falsify the information, reflect the truth, don't speak over the interviewer. It's important to be a good listener as well as good talker. વધારે પડતું ન બોલો એમ કહે છે. It shows that you are respectful and having strong interpersonal skills. ખબર છે કે તમે મળતા આવડા છો. You know how to make communication interpersonal or person to person. You know better about the communication strategy, but still you should control over yourself. If you are interviewing via a video platform, remember that there will be a slight time delay. Avoid rushing to answer a question in case your interviewer hasn't finished speaking. 4th is don't assume it isn't an interview. Regardless of what interview stage you are, regardless of what interview stage you are at or who you are meeting, it may be over a coffee, a few drinks or just labeled a final chat. It is still used as an opportunity to assess your suitability for the potential role. Regardless of what interview stages, એટલે ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ સ્ટેજીસ કેટલા હોઈ શકે, એમાં શું પૂછી શકે, એ કેટલી મિટિંગ તમારી સાથે કરી શકે, બરાબર. એક કોફી મિટિંગ હોય કે ગમે ત્યારે તમે ફાઇનલ 2-3 મિટિંગ્સ કરી અને ચેટ ઉપર આવો, ફાઇનલ કન્ક્લુઝન ઉપર આવો. right? But it can, considering this as an opportunity, and it may be arranged to assess your suitability for the potential role. એટલે એવી રીતે તમારી સાથે વાત કરવા માટે એ બે ત્રણ ઇન્ફોર્મલ એઝ વેલ એઝ ફોર્મલ મીટિંગ્સ રાખેલી હોય. ડોન્ટ લેટ એની પાસ્ટ રિજેક્શન, તો એમાં તમે વોટ આઈ મેન્ટ ટુ સે ઇઝ કે તમે તમારી તૈયારી સાથે રહ્યો. ડોન્ટ લેટ એની પાસ્ટ રિજેક્શન્સ ઇન્ફ્રિંગ ઓન ફ્યુચર વન્સ. ભૂતકાળના તમારા જેટલા રિજેક્શન્સ થયા હોય, એના જે કંઈ પણ કારણો હોય, એની અસર તમે ફ્યુચર ઉપર પડવા દેશો નહીં. ફાઇન્ડિંગ અ ન્યૂ જોબ કેન બી ટેક્સિંગ. મેક શ્યોર અપ્રોચ એવરી ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ એઝ અ ન્યૂ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી and learn from past interview mistakes. If you have several interviews lined up, try to leave some space between them to ensure you are at your best. For future interview advice and some examples of the competency based questions, please download our. This is for the additional, I have kept here as a side reference, but this is not required for you. Finding a new job can be taxing. એટલે કે નવી નોકરી છે એ નવા અનુભવ ઉપર આવવાની કે નવા અનુભવ લેવા માટેની છે. તમારો અપ્રોચ બહુ જ કામ કરે છે, અને તમારા પાસ્ટ રિજેક્શન્સ જે કંઈ પણ તમારી મિસ્ટેકથી થયા હોય, દેટ યુ શુડ લર્ન એન્ડ યુ હેવ સેવરલ ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ લાઇન્ડ અપ. ઘણી બધી વખત તમારે ઘણા બધા ઇન્ટરવ્યૂઝમાંથી પસાર થવાનું થયું હોય, બરાબર. ટ્રાય ટુ લીવ સમ સ્પેસ બિટવીન ધેમ ટુ એન્શ્યોર યુ આર એટ યોર ઓન બેસ્ટ. તો એ એક સાથે એવી રીતે અરેન્જ ન કરો કે, અથવા તો એવી રીતે ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ વન આફ્ટર ધી અધર આપો કે જેથી કરીને તમે એકમાંથી બીજા ઉપર જમ્પ કરીને તૈયારી વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે કરી શકો. Now this was about do's and don'ts related to the interview, right? And what mistakes we need to avoid while appearing for the interview. Now preparation regarding the interview, girls, we completed the very first question, in which I have given you two questions. One is the sub question. What preparations which are required for the interview, that we discussed. Which are the do's and don'ts for the interview, that are also discussed by me. Question number 2 is about the body language. Body language for the job interview. Body language is very important. If you look positive as well as confident, and with your good gesture you perform, or you can perform in the best possible manner. So body language during interview plays a very important role in making or breaking your career. So in making or breaking your career, it is so very important to have proper body language during interview. The expression "action speaks louder than words" holds very true, especially during job interviews. Action speaks louder than words એટલે કે આપણા હાવભાવો આપણા શબ્દો કરતાં વધારે ઘણું બધું કહી દે છે. આપણા ચહેરા ઉપર શું ફીલ થતું હોય કે અંદર શું ફીલ થતું હોય, એ આપણા ચહેરા દ્વારા વ્યક્ત કરી શકીએ છીએ, રાઈટ. સો ધીસ એક્સપ્રેશન્સ આર વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ, and to get hold over the emotion, this is what the body language is, especially during job interviews. The way you present yourself leaves a significant impact on your interviewer. Significant impact એટલે અગત્યની, impact એટલે અસર. The way you present, that gives significant impact whosoever is taking your interview on their minds. Everything, right from your outfit to your hairstyle, accessories and all other things you might be carrying are judged. તમે શું પહેરો છો, કેવી હેરસ્ટાઇલ, કેવું માથું ઓળાવીને ગયા છો, what accessories you are wearing, and everything will be judged, will be perceived. What you are carrying, everything will be noticed. From the moment you enter through the company's front door, you are perceived with different opinions by different people. તમે જેવા અંદર જે ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ રૂમ હોય છે, જેવા તમે એ રૂમમાં પ્રવેશ કરો છો, એવા જ તમને સમજી જવામાં આવે છે કે તમે કયા પ્રકારના વ્યક્તિત્વવાળા માણસ હોઈ શકો છો. બિકોઝ આઉટર એક્સપિરિયન્સ always give some clues, some hints related to the personality. Following are some useful tips for you to ensure you have a perfect body language to leave a good impression. So this was regarding the background related to the body language. So this particularly part is giving you an idea that body language is so very important for the job interview as an individual. It helps you to carry yourself properly and it shapes you. It gives you confident polishing that you are going to learn that exactly body language for the interview includes what. Fine. So this was the background only I have provided. Other than that, certain elements which we require, which you already studied, some of the elements you studied under the body language part, but let us revise the things like eye contact, how you should sit, like sit up straight position, then the hand gestures are there, then power of the body language, what you should avoid touching your face constantly, smile whenever it is required, stay at one spot, then mirror image. This much elements are, or these many elements rather, are required to indulge body language in ourselves. Let us start with the eye contact. Body language during interview should have you make eye contact with other person. One of the most vital aspects of your body language during job interview, making and maintaining eye contact is must. It is only shows you are actually paying attention to your interviewer, but also suggests your engagement with the situation. તમે આંખથી આંખ મિલાવીને જ્યારે વાત કરો છો, બરાબર, કે જેથી કરીને તમારો આત્મવિશ્વાસ છે એ આંખોમાં છલકાય છે, isn't it? And this is one of the most vital aspects that we need to carry, and that will show your engagement with the situation. However, that doesn't mean you pointless keep staring at your interviewer. એનો મતલબ એવો નથી કે સતત તમે પોઈન્ટલેસલી એટલે કે મુદ્દા વગર એમની સામે સતત તાકીને જુઓ, but you may try to hold eye contact for a couple of seconds at a time. If you have to face more than one interviewer at once, address to the person who asked the question. Yes, you can address to the person. You can look at that person's face or in their eyes, but be sure to make eye contact with each one of them. પણ સાથે સાથે આખી પેનલના ઇન્ટરવ્યુઅર્સની તમે સાથે eye contact maintain કરો. So eye contact is very important in case of body language. This is the first element we understood. Second is sit up straight. Again, sitting up straight in your chair gives an automatic signal of confidence and reliability. વ્યવસ્થિત તમે સ્ટ્રેટ પોઝિશનમાં બેસો છો એ તમારો કોન્ફિડન્સ અને રિલાયબલ, વિશ્વસનીય. જે કોન્ફિડન્ટ માણસનો હોય એ નજર નીચી કરી અને કદાચ સ્ટ્રેટ મેનરમાં નથી બેસી શકતો. ઇટ ઇઝ રેકમેન્ડેડ નોટ ટુ સ્લાઉચ ફોરવર્ડ, આગળ થોડુંક ઝૂકેલું નહીં બેસવાનું, ઓર બેકવર્ડ એવી રીતે પણ નહીં બેસવાનું. એ સચ અ પોઝિશન સજેસ્ટ યુ હેવ અ વેરી કેઝ્યુઅલ, નોટ રિયલી બોધર્ડ એટીટ્યુડ, because you are in a formal place, so you have to maintain the decorum of the place. If you are unable to sit straight, try pulling up yourself from the head Push down on your shoulders and maintain a steady balance of your upper body while sitting. Your should be your body language during the interview. Carry the upright straight posture from the moment you arrive in the reception area. When you are asked a question, lean forward a bit to show your curiosity. કે પ્રશ્ન સાંભળવામાં અને જવાબ આપવામાં તમે આતુર છો and you are engaging yourself. This is what the second position. I think we should end here and we'll continue with the third position in the next week. Thank you very much, girls. Revise the body language for the job interview and remaining part we'll discuss in the next session. Have a good day.